A model question paper for the practical exam of Physics Class 10, based on the syllabus provided, model question per sectione. Physics Practicals. Measure the area of cross-section by measuring the diameter of a solid cylinder with vernier calipers. A. Record the diameter readings. B. Calculate the area of cross-section. Measure the volume of a solid cylinder by measuring the length and diameter with vernier calipers. A. Record the length and diameter readings. B. Calculate the volume of the cylinder. Measure the thickness of a metal strip or wire using a screw gauge. A. Record the screw gauge readings. B. Calculate the thickness of the strip or wire. Find the acceleration of a ball rolling down an angle iron by drawing a graph between to S and to T2. A. Record the time and distance readings. B. Plot the graph and find the slope. Find the value of g by the free fall method. A. Record the time taken for free fall. B. Calculate the acceleration due to gravity. Measure the force of limiting friction by rolling a roller on a horizontal plane. A. Record the force readings. D. Determine the limiting friction force. Verify the principle of moments by using a meter rod balanced on a wedge. A. Record the distances and masses. D. Check if the system is balanced. Find the weight of an unknown object using the principle of moments. A. Record the distances and masses. B. Calculate the weight of the object. Study the relationship between load and extension helical spring by drawing a graph. A. Record the load and extension readings. B. Plot the graph and analyze the relationship. Draw a graph between temperature and time during the phase change of ice into water, and then into steam by slow heating. A. Record the temperature readings at regular intervals. B. Plot the graph and identify the phase changes. Section B. Electronics and Magnetism Practicals. Verify Ohm's law using a wire as a conductor. A. Record voltage and current readings. B. Calculate resistance and verify Ohm's law. Study resistors in series circuit. A. Assemble a series circuit with resistors. D. Measure the total resistance. Study resistors in a parallel circuit. A. Assemble a parallel circuit with resistors. D. Measure the total resistance. Find the resistance of a galvanometer by the half deflection method. A. Record the current and voltage readings. B. Calculate the resistance of the galvanometer. Trace the magnetic field using a bar magnet. A. Place the magnet on a surface and sprinkle iron filings. B. Observe and draw the pattern of the magnetic field lines. Trace the magnetic field due to a current-carrying circular coil. A. Pass current through the coil and place a compass needle around it. B. Observe and draw the direction of the magnetic field. Verify the truth table of OR and NOT, NOR, and NAND gates. A. Set up circuits for each gate and input combinations. B. Record the output and compare with the truth table.